Welcome to Beehive Evolution. Today I'm featuring one of my hives, the Chandler Hive. I'm just going to walk around and show you basically what's up with it for now, and then I'll go into more details. If you like this video, press like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Okay, so I'll walk around. Here I have a bottle bay. Which is, I think, the best of both worlds. You can, the conventional type up there, which is the proven type, and then you can experiment with all these bottles here. I'll come back to them a bit later. So, in the bottom here, I have an air space, and if you look inside, I do have a white sheet that I can take off and see there's mites or stuff. And if you look closely, there's three little boxes okay, these are the little bee highways that come from inside the hive down to the bottle bay. Alright, so that's a way for them to go. And in the back, I have my three entrances and a little bee pod there for them to land. And now I'll show you inside. So inside, as I told you, you see these little hole there. This goes down to the bottle bay, and I also have my frame, which I did. I put on some wax foundation on it for the bees to start, and there's a video on that one too if you look in the archives of how to make special wax frames. So now you come to the bottle bay, and I put different types of bottles in there just to check out. I put a 2-liter pop bottle, and that screws right into the wood actually with a 1-inch hole. And with this you get best of both worlds. You can experiment with the bottles, see what they're going to do in there, and you see one there. I got a clear plastic tubing. That's another entrance from the beehive to the bottle bay. So I can look at them, if they fly in there or walk fast, or I'm just interested. I insulated it with bubble wrap, reflective insulation, just to keep it warm. Another little feature here is I have a small entrance here that goes into the bee highway. Okay, so as an option. And also, where these bottles are, they can also be transformed to feeders. All right, so you can reverse this. The bees can come in and do crush comb, or you can have them come in and feed them with these bottles. Also, the bottom of this little highway here, all right, is removable. Where there's 6 screws, and just to remove it once a year and clean up and see what's happening. Okay, so this there's options, and of course it's easy and it's clean. I'm still going to put some cladding on all of this instead of painting. So just little options. And I'm anxious to have bees in there in about 2-3 weeks. So again, press like if you like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless.